spotters reported teacup-sized hail on radar. Wow, look at those dots. And see that corner of the triangle? That is indicative of a tornado doing damage. Storm spotters are reporting that a large tornado on the ground. Wow, look at that. Rotation coming back so strong on Doppler 7. Whoa. And that debris almost maxing out on that debris fall. Damn, that escalated quickly. Starting with Glen Rose, Texas. Tornado emergency for Glen Rose. A tornado warning has been issued for Hopkins, Silver Springs, Aneta, White Settlement, Fort Worth, Dallas. Seek shelter in your basement. If no basement available, go somewhere sturdy or something that will not get torn. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Stay tuned for more commercial outlet, television outlet, water radio outlet. A tornado warning has been issued for Aneta, Glen Rose, Dallas, Tarrant, White Settlement, Fort Worth, Hopkins, Parker. No, not Parker. Texas. Stay tuned for TV outlet or television outlet or commercial outlet. Back to Channel 7 for more info. Tornado warning. Extreme risk for severe weather today for the Metroplex. Do not wait to hear or see a tornado, because tornadoes are developing faster than we can hook up. See the left corner of that square? That is indicative of a EF1 tornado doing damage. Oh my God. Look at that bottom left corner of the triangle. That is indicative of a EF6 tornado doing damage. Folks, stay safe out there. On the phone with Stephen, Arlington Police Department. There are still chunks of concrete still falling from the sky. Oh my god. There's not what we wanted. And in front of me, the road is blocked with rubble. I can't even call it destruction. Because